Lit gikuyono kwa kanyuola mar Githae kinde ik mar mosenindo Mama Loice Wambura Githendui Githae ma en min jalup jakom mar kambi maduong' mar Fwambo Roll Media Services Gadhoni Masharia manotime kar dak marurumo Mwea e kaunti ma Kirinyaga. Anyuola wede kod osiepe no yuoro mar kuyo kod familia mar Githae. Mama Loice oyuagi kaka miyo majambola kendo manodago ngima mar Jakristo. Director mar weche manyien e kambi mar Roll Media Services Linus Kaikai notelo ne jotich mag kambi no e kuyo kod Mrs. Masharia. Mama Loice otho ka jaigni 102.
Whenever she was sick, she would always start at Gategi. If she does not get well, then she would go to Gurubani for Dr. Wanyama, to Dr. Wanyama's clinic. And if not well, then she would go to Karira. And it's only after that where she would then inform us, to inform the sons or the daughters that she is not feeling well. So I like to take this up.
Nendage privilege ya guikara na maito atakuigwa wega for many years. Thank you SK for being a good partner. Kwa maito ni kuri miario twaragia nake na tukahoya. And maito ari mundu utari maundu maingi, mundu muhoreri, mundu muhoreri.
She was a great lady. When her husband fell sick, she came with her to my house in Nairobi. And she told me that I have come with him aliaido siaku kinyamuthenya wake wa mwisho.
This was a celebration in life because she was turning 102. Those are very many years. So today, to the family, as I say, Pole, let's remember to say thanks to the Lord for the many years that our grandma was given. And we all pray that we get a similar long time.